I never really expected that I would be doing this, but I am putting out a sell recommendation to my tribe and anybody else who cares to listen on Nvidia. It's time to sell because Nvidia has surpassed its ability to double its price over 3 years, and that is the qualification to be in the best of us investors portfolio. That is, again, if you're not able to achieve a 2x return on your price over the next 3 years, we don't want to own you. And Nvidia has now reached that position. I am projecting that Nvidia's price for the end of this year, 2026, will be $219. The next year, 2027, $317, and the following year, 252. That does not achieve a 2x return, so I am recommending to sell because there are other stocks that will achieve that, and we then follow them on my tell sheet, Kerry's tell sheet, and that's where we want our money. We do not want our money in Nvidia because the hyperscalers are using Broadcom to find other ways to produce the chips they need to achieve their goals, and thus are not going to be buying Nvidia's chips, and thus will not drive their stock price up to achieve our objective of a 2x in 3 years. So I'm putting out a recommendation of sell Nvidia today. Now, if you want to learn exactly what Samantha and Bart told me as a result of the deep dive that I asked them just to do as to why is Nvidia not exploding after the last two earnings reports it's had last August and then again just this last month. Why isn't their price exploding? That's what I asked Samantha, and Samantha gave me the reasons why. I'd be happy to share those with you. Go into the link in the description, and I will put a link there that'll tell you exactly why I'm recommending you sell Nvidia this morning and put it in your rearview mirror. Maybe keep a small number of shares just to keep track of it, but this is not going to achieve our objective of a 2x return over the next 3 years. At least that's what my AI agents tell me. And if you want to hear the verification of why that's true, go into the description, click on the link. It will take you to a podcast that'll explain it all to you. I don't want your email. I don't want anything. I want you to know why to sell Nvidia. And then if that makes sense to you, then come to our website, join our tribe, and become a informed investor. Make decisions based on knowledge. All the knowledge is there. You just need to know how to access it. And I access it through Samantha and Bard, my AI agents. I don't invest without their approval.